feel like I crack the Da Vinci Code on lashes for me right now. If you ever been to a lash tech and you got your lashes done and you feel like the look just doesn't really fit your face, even though it's done nicely, continue watching this video. And if I'm shaking, you guys, I literally have to get my hand off of my desk, off of my vanity, because I have my camera propped up on my water bottle. Let me show you. We're out here, gang gang. You gotta do what you gotta do. A lot of people don't know that everybody's eye shape is different. And if you go and get your lashes done, or if you do them on your own like I do, and I'm about to do that with you guys today, I'm really gonna like just talk to you guys about what I've realized and how this can help you if you like your lashes done at home, or if you go and get them done, you can actually have them evaluate you. I tried making cat eye work for me for the longest, and I realized that I'm not a cat eye girly. Cat eye is just not gonna be my look. Like I thought and I was hoping that it would work. It's not working out for me, and I'm gonna let you guys know why later on in the video. So I have this, these two thingies right here. I'm trying this out, the Duo Active Lash Adhesive. All right, so and the reason why I tell you guys to get two, because this is to actually apply the lashes, like pick it up, hold it, blow it, and like put it on. But what I do with this one, I need to clean them. Let me get some alcohol. Hold on. Clean your appliances. Don't be like me. But the reason why I have this is because sometimes when you have the lash, and let me zoom in, please don't fall. Come on baby, get closer. What I do is I just clamp it. Like if the glue is getting tacky and it's not like officially dried, like it's not all the way dry, let me use this. I'll just like use this to like clamp it and just make sure that it's on, you know, just like squeeze it, make sure that my actual lash is being stuck to the actual lash cluster. So yeah, let's get to the mapping. What I learned about myself is I kind of have, you can't really tell by my brows because it's the illusion, but I have wide set eyes, kind of like Halle Bailey, or like, you know, I'm gonna insert some pictures on people that have like eyes kind of like mine. The best shape, the best matching for me is to actually make the longest come in the middle, and then the outer corners on the inner corners and the outer corners are like shorter. So it's kind of like, they call it open eye or doll eyelash, and I'm going to show you an example. But I tried it last week, and child, let me tell you, it was really cute. I'm not even gonna lie, like I can let go of the cat eye for this because it makes me feel more confident in how my eyes look, and it looks more natural on me, you know what I mean? So I started these two right here, and these are 10. So because I started those as 10, as I'm getting closer to the middle, I'm gonna go up to a 12. Yeah, I usually don't put the lash glue on my lash and then like put it on because I get nervous. I really get nervous. I feel like I'll put the lash glue in my eye, so I actually put it, oh Lord, hold on. So this is how I put the glue on my lash. So this is how the lash looks like. This is the part that's actually going on my actual lashes. Like when I put it on, it's gonna go on like that. Like, come back closer, baby, come back. So this is why I need this, because I need to see, because I'm looking in the camera, but it's not close enough for me. And I really don't want to have my elbows on my thing because I don't want my camera to fall off this water bottle. Open my eyes like as wide as I possibly can. Like, sweep it up until it sticks. And then just pat it. You don't want to like touch it too much because sometimes you'll just like take it full off, clean off, if you like pat it and then the glue like stick to this and you take it back off. So I just pat it, let it sit for a bit till it starts to get tacky, and then once it starts to like dry, I'll then clamp it and then move on to the next one. You know what I mean? Like, there's more like so it's 10 10 12 10 10. So I'm gonna do another 12. You guys like my hair? Is the bob bobbing? I ask this on my story, on my Instagram story, like every time I do like a fresh set. Like every time I do like a nice wash and like blow dry, I'll be like, you guys like the bob? Is the bob bobbing? And I'll do like a poll, yes or no. Everybody will be like, yes, the bob is bobbing. The bob bobbing. I feel like the bob is not really bobbing like how I first bobbed when I was like freshly done. But like the bob is still bobbing. But like we're 2 months, no, we're a month in to this bob. And I said I'm gonna have it like this for another month maybe until I try another hairstyle. But yeah, so far the bob is still bobbing. The bob is still bobbing. It's still bobbing. Okay, I think it's ready now. And yeah, you want to make sure that you don't apply it immediately. You just want to like, oh Lord, let me get a brush. But you want to like make sure it's tacky just a little bit, so when it sticks, it's not sliding off. So then I put it like right there, and then pat it. There we go. And I like these because I like how it's like spacey. It's not like lash, lash, lash. It's like, you see how like it's a lot going on right here, but it's falling. So when I do the rest, it comes together. And it's called open eye. I don't know why it's called open eye, child. I just, TikTok told me. Let me go get my brush. And I hope I'm not talking too low, but if you guys like more videos like this, let me know like what you guys want to see, because I literally just do this every day. Not every day, but like I can do this every day. So you see how like it falls, but it's like right here where yeah, that part of my eye is, it like opens up. I guess that's why it's called open eye. And now we're gonna bring it back down with the 10, because it's 10 10 12 12 10 10. So sweep, sweep, stick. See, you see. Hi. I wouldn't believe what I had for breakfast this morning. All I had for breakfast this morning was a muffin, a very fat chocolate muffin. But I feel like the middle is like dry now, so I can start clamping the middle. Ow! Don't pinch yourself. Please don't pinch yourself like I just did. Like, force your eyelids down, like squinting, sort of. Okay. Like, how do I look? I really hope this kind of like help you guys see that it's not one lash size fits all, you know? It's not like a one size fit all when it comes to lashes and brows. You have to really like evaluate yourself and see, or get yourself evaluated and see what works for you, because it took me years to realize this. Let me just show you guys this dress, because I just took the tag off of it today, but I got this dress from TJ Maxx. Let me I got this dress. So I got this dress from TJ Maxx, and I love it. I really feel like it makes me feel good. I'm moving around. It's very simple. Like I can wear it with a lot of things. And it's like a cute fall / winter dress. I just might find somewhere to go today. Brush it. Open eye Zoll lashes, y'all. Very simple. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Now I can wake up like this. But yeah, I appreciate you guys balancing on top of this water bottle and staying tuned for the final result. And I am happy. I like it. We're gonna see if it lasts 2 weeks, because the last time I did it, it lasted 1 week. So yeah, this is me doing my lashes for my facial structure, for my eye shape, and I love the results. This is me and I love it. Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.